Hi, and welcome to RNY Inside Learning Hub. This is the fifth video of the Selenium series. We will continue with the locator technique, and in this video, we will understand the XPath locator. So, let's begin. We have already covered the theory part of the locator, and in the theory part, we have also, learned about the XPath. So what is the XPath? How many XPath we have in a Selenium, and what is the difference between XPath and a CSS selector and basic allocator? So we have covered all the things in a previous video. If you have not watched the previous video, then I'm requesting you please watch it again. Okay. So now I'm going to create a new class for the XPath. Okay, and copy the driver setup code for save the time. Okay, so now our targeted website is demo.qa. Excuse me guys. Okay, so demo.qa is very useful website which will which very helpful, and we get all the functionality to practice all the feature of the Selenium. Okay, like handling the alert, handling the windows, handling the drop down, handling the file upload, download, uh, and so many things by the help of this single website. So we will target in coming videos also. So now I'm going to navigate this website, navigate to dot website URL, and the first XPath is relative XPath. Okay, so relative XPath is, now I'm going to right click on that targeted element and click the inspect option, and you will redirect the DOM. Okay, so now click on the uh, highlighted element, so we have so many option in the element. So now right click on this, and 1 second, zoom. Okay, now right click again and go to the copy option and click on the copy full XPath. Okay, now zooming again. Okay, copy the full XPath, so you will get the relative XPath. So now I'm going to driver dot find element dot by dot XPath dot full XPath. So you can see that we get a full XPath from the option. So now send keys. So first name is Sumit. First name is Sumit. Okay, and the second, 1 second, semicolon is missing. Okay, now the second type of real absolute XPath. Absolute XPath. So this is static or basic XPath. So basic XPath will create with the help of double slash or tag name. Okay, curly braces, and at the rate, attribute, and equal to, and attribute value. Okay, So now we will create a for the last name. Right click on the last name input box and click on the inspect option, and you can see we have so many option. So I'm going to with the ID. So driver dot find element dot by dot xpath dot second. Sorry, I forget to explain the x y class have the xpath method, and xpath method is the parameterized method. So in a method we will provide a xpath. Okay, so double slash uh, attribute is input. So you can see that we have attribute is input. So now uh, input and at tag name, sorry, and attribute with targeted attributes ID. Okay, so ID and attribute value is last name. Okay, last name, and send keys send keys and Sumit Kumar. Okay, so this is the first way. Okay, now the second way is absolute XPath. Second way is uh, dynamic or we can say advanced XPath. Okay, so with contents. Okay, so driver dot find element dot by dot XPath, and okay, now the second target is email ID. So now the tag name is input and contains, okay, curly braces, and attribute is ID. Okay, so at the rate attribute and attribute value. So you can see we have attribute value is user email, so we can provide email only. email email Okay, and send keys dot gmail.com. So now zoom out. Okay, so the contents method help to search an element via the uh, met contains tags means any of the tags should be match from the full text. Okay, like contains method from the Java. Okay, so now the contents method first search the tag name input. So go to the with tag, and second search with attribute with ID, and search now go with the tags. So with file the email and interact with this email input box, and write the, or we can say enter the tags which is provided under the method. Okay, so now next is absolute XPath. Third is starts with. Okay, So start with help to search a element which text which start, okay, by the given tags. Okay, so driver dot find element dot by dot xpath. Okay, so now I'm giving, okay, 1 second, this mobile number. Okay, so I'm giving the star. So star will search any kind of tag name. Okay. For suppose in future the developer change the tag name. Okay. So our element will easily search by any kind of element. Okay. And in this scenario, if the developer is change the element, then our locator will throw an error. Okay. Why? It's because the input tag name is not found if the change by the developer. Okay, so now it starts with with okay, 1 second, start with curly braces, oh, bracket, sorry, not curly bracket, and our targeted is placeholder. So now at the rate attribute and attribute value. Okay, so placeholder is starting from the mobile. So full text is mobile number, but we will provide a mobile only. So mobile, okay, send keys 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 7 7 9. Okay, fine. And second is text. Okay, so now this is a fourth, and I'm going to copy this or save the time. Okay, 3 to by the text, okay, equal to text method equal to, okay, text mail. Okay, so you click on the this, okay, and you will get a inner text. This call is inner text. So inner text is mail, so I'm giving this mail. Okay, okay, and so this is a radio button. So in manually we click on this and click on this and click on this. Okay, so now click action will help to click the radio button. So click, okay, now run this code. Hope everything is fine, finger cross. Okay, now run this code. Browser is launched, website is open, and you can see perfectly we have achieved every, every input box. Okay, so I am in this video I'm just trying to explain the beauty of the XPath functionality. So we have so many way to create a XPath, so many way. So this is a part of the this is a part of from this. Okay, so just I'm trying to explain how we can create an XPath. You can create an XPath anyway as per your requirement, as per your situation. Okay, so I hope you have liked this video. Okay, to show your response, please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to receive a notification for updated video. And I would like to glad to receive your feedback, suggestions and queries in the comment section. Okay, so, okay guys, in coming video we will get we will come with the some other feature of the Selenium. Okay, okay guys, thanks for watching.